Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use the split screen mode on your HP SPECTRE X360 laptop. So first of all, we're gonna need to open at least two different applications on our desktop, and now if you want to align them on your screen, you have to either drag the top bar of one of the applications and drag it to one of the sides of your laptop screen, then release it and select the other application to be put in the other side of your display, and then you'll be able to resize them by moving this bar between them. Now the other way to use this feature is by navigating to the square icon in the top right corner of one of these windows and selecting the alignment for your window. As you can see, we can align up to 4 different applications at once on our display. Just click on the position where you want to put your application to, and then put the other application into anywhere you like, basically. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.